Good morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge Service Department. It is Friday, so we do a video every Friday. Getting close, it's the end of February, so spring break is right around the corner. Everybody has their units either in storage or have not even looked at their unit, with this harsh winter that we have had this year. So we are running a $199 maintenance special that's going on. So that covers tire inspection, torque your lug nuts, set tire pressures, roof inspection, slide function inspection, make sure there's no issues, electrical outlet test all your 110 outlets, do an LP propane drop test to make sure you don't have any leaks, so that everything is working fine. You don't have any mud daubers in your burner tube assemblies for your furnace, water heater, whatever the case may be. We do a brake test, check all your lights, all your marker lights, your brake lights, turn signals, make sure everything is good. You don't have a bulb out, or if they're LED, you don't have one not working. Lubricate all your locks, that's compartment door locks and your main entry door locks. Sidewall caulk inspection, and then check exterior corner channels. So that's just to check all these. So then obviously if we find anything, the tech will write down what they found, get back with the advisor, and then you'd be looking at the additional money. But $199 for that inspection, for peace of mind before you go out on your first trip and it's been in storage. Do not wait till a week before you're going to go on your trip and pull that thing out and start looking over it yourself, hooking up, and you got an issue, and then you're calling in, don't need to get it in, because we will not be able to get you in and completed within that week's time. So we're going to have some good weather next week in the 40s up into the 50s. So you want to call in to the service department or go online, book your appointment to bring it in to get that $199 inspection done. You will be leaps and bounds ahead of everyone else. You get that done. Hope that information helped you. Have a great day.